What's up, guys? We're back with another video. My name is Mr. Fragrance. This is my girlfriend Kelly.
Hello.
And we're going to unbox the new Coach Platinum. And we're just going to give you our first impression on it and see if she likes it and see if I like it. So I hope you guys stay tuned. I hope you enjoy Coach Platinum. So I just picked this up at Macy's. It came out, I think, about a week or two ago. It came out. I'm not really sure the release date yet for it, but I have the original Coach, which is OK Fragrance. I did a review. You can check down below in the videos I have. This is Coach Platinum, the second of the fragrance of Coach. It's a 3.3 box right here. You can pick it up at Macy's right now. So take a look at the box. Nice little texture on the side. Back has a kind of silver. Top is black. And the bottom here has the information. Right here. I hope you guys can see that. So let's open it up. Inside has the same presentation as the old other Coach for men. And box opens up like this. Here's the bottle, pretty cool, all platinum. Little cap up top. Don't know why they put that little cap. It really doesn't really do much, but I guess it kind of blocks from spray.
While in the box.
Yeah, it does have a lock on the top where you can lock it. Well, it won't lock, I guess, now. But this is the bottle presentation. Coach Platinum.
You can
nice
see
silver.
reflections in it.
Yeah, you can see a reflection. It's pretty cool. Bottom. I think it has the batch code. Yeah, the batch code is D8120I108, 100 ml bottle. Bottle's all silver, pretty nice, like a mirror. Has the Coach on the side here. So let's test this out. Spray it on my hand. I sprayed it at the store. And I do like it. I don't know if I'm a fan of it. Yeah, it has to grow on me a little bit, but let's see how the distribution is. It's pretty strong opening because I know when I sprayed it at the store, my girlfriend wanted to wait a little bit to spray it and see how it smells.
Yeah, like you can see like his hands
a lot.
Are super wet. I just like to let it dry down.
Yeah.
Yeah, probably just because you haven't used it, I can't really smell it through the bottle. Just a hint.
Yeah, I'll wait a few seconds for it to dry down, but you can pick this up, this Coach for Men, Coach Platinum right here for $92 for this big 3.3 ounce bottle. And they do have a smaller bottle, a 1.7 for $72. I will leave a link below where you can pick it up at the Macy's store for the two sizes. And I'll leave a link below where you can purchase if you want to buy it online. What did you say it was? So it was what, heavy?
Heavy. Yeah, the bottle's heavy, like really heavy.
Really heavy bottle. So, some of the notes in this fragrance, they have black pepper.
Oil.
Black pepper oil, cashmere, vanilla, and leather. Right off the top, I get the black pepper oil, and I get a little bit of vanilla.
Yeah, I can definitely smell the vanilla and the leather.
Okay, so she smells the leather, and yeah, I pretty much get a real big blast of the pepper in it right now, and a little bit of vanilla in the background. That's just from my first impression of smelling this fragrance. I'm gonna wear it for like 4 or 5 days and see if I get any compliments, or if the projection is good or longevity is good, and then hopefully in about 3 or 4 days I'll make another video and see if my girlfriend changed her opinion about it, or I'll wear it out when we go out to dinner or something like that.
Yeah, it smells nice, like letting it dry down. That initial whiff it's just all alcohol. But that's normal.
Yeah. So far I do like the fragrance. What I'm going to do is I'm going to stop the video here and I'm going to grab the original Coach and see which one she likes more, just as a first impression. So hold on 1 second, guys. I'm going to stop the video. So I'm back, guys, and I have the original Coach here too. I'm going to spray it on this side here. I sprayed the Platinum here. I'm going to spray the original Coach here and see which one she likes. Just from a first impression. We'll do a video later with both in comparison, the longevity, common factor, price point, and all that good stuff. So here's just the first impression. So
I can smell it from here.
yeah. This is original Coach for men, and this is Coach Platinum. So
Let me compare. I mean, they're definitely different.
Okay.
I mean, I like them both. I do like them both. I could definitely some similarities. Maybe that's just.
Yeah, I think they have
Coach.
a few different. Yeah, they're both Coach fragrances, so they're gonna have somewhat of a little bit of the DNA. It may not be a lot, but there's a tad bit smelling this one and this one. But there are little similarities. So, but at least you say you do like both of them. Just right now from first spraying, you do like them. Okay.
Yeah, I do.
All right, now I'm just gonna show you the bottle for this one. She'll pull it up more closer so you can see the bottle for Coach Men and Coach Platinum. So Coach Platinum here. This is Coach for Men. So far the bottles look about the same. The only difference is this one is pretty much platinum and more like mirror-wise, you can see through it, and this one is more like a black and tends to get a little clear right here, a little bit like clear here, and up here it goes dark. Like I said, if you're looking for price point, they're about almost the same price, but this bottle here is about $62, and this right here is about $92, but they do have a smaller 1.7 for about $72. So it's like a $10 difference if you buy the smaller bottle. And they do have a smaller bottle for $48. So I'm gonna leave a link below for both of these to check out the Macy's website. This is just a first impression video. Once I test both these fragrances out and see if I get compliments, longevities, and stuff like that, I'll let you guys know if it's worth buying this one, because it's been out for almost a year now, or picking up the 2018 Coach Platinum. So I'm just gonna have her show around the bottle a little bit more, like I did with this one. There's the back.
It's hard to tell in the video, but when you hold it in your hand, and especially with the bright lights, you can see through the bottle, and it's just like a really neat effect. But I don't think we can recreate that.
Yeah, it's kind of hard.
See our reflections.
So this is just a first impression video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hopefully in a couple of days I'm going to have my girlfriend test it out again if she likes it. Hopefully I can bring a couple of her friends or guests on to see if they like the fragrance. So thanks for watching my video. If you like men's fragrance reviews, unboxes, and free giveaways, please click the subscribe button, hit the like button. If you find somebody or know somebody who likes fragrance reviews and unboxings and free giveaways, share the video. Thank you guys for your support. I thank my girlfriend for helping me with another video, because I post out so many videos, and I'm very grateful for her to want to do videos with me, because I know it's time consuming, and we don't spend that much time with ourselves because we both work. So bottom of my heart, I tell her thank you for doing that for me. It means a lot.
You're welcome.
So thank you guys for watching my video, and have a nice weekend. Peace.
Bye.